Well, tractor did pretty good. We did get a bunch of snow. A whole bunch of snow. This GT ariens did pretty good. I got a few tractors. Just had to clear all the snow off my tent. Try to walk slower here. Oh yeah, I got another Ford. Grassman's there. Grassman's there. This thing right here, piece of crap. That thing can do nothing. You can see what I did with my bucket loader. I moved all these piles. Which, it makes it easier to get around out here. But I'm going to show some of this stuff in the spring. I'll get it fixed. There's another Craftsman. Another Craftsman. Truck. Good river. Pick that up. Not bad. Not bad at all. Storm came before I got to unload it though. But yeah, there's a quick video. 2019. It's been a while, but I'm going to do some videos on these in the spring when I start fixing them. That's another Craftsman. But yeah, this thing right here, what a beast. Not bad for 600 bucks. I think it paid for itself yesterday. Had a couple things go wrong. Steering shaft came out, had to fix that. I mean, I haven't really got to put much use on this because I just got it, but did the trick. This thing will actually pick up one of these like that tractor right there, no problem. Pick the whole tractor up. I bought bucket forks for it. Alright folks, there it is. Not much going on till spring, but sorry I kind of just did this all handheld. I was going to set up my tripod for this yesterday, but I didn't bother. Alright folks, until next time, Stony out.